If you want to take a break from the hustle and bustle of your city, run away from the chaos, and just get lost in the peacefulness of nature, then this video is for you. When you think about places to go to in Himachal, the obvious names come to mind: Kullu, Manali, Dharamshala, Shimla. But once you move past these famous spots is when you discover the real magic. Hi, I'm Anmol Kumar and this is Exploring Himachal, a series where I show you the more offbeat and unknown locations that are away from the chaotic crowd and untouched by typical tourists. About 100 kilometers from Manali, nestled in Parvati Valley, are the three villages Kalga, Tulga and Pulga. These sister villages are located within a few kilometers of each other and all have the quintessential Himachali charm. Today I am showing you the first of the unexplored villages, Kalga village. To know more about Pulga and Tulga, subscribe to my channel as episode 2 and 3 are going to be about them. The best way to get here is to drive or take a bus from Delhi or Chandigarh to Bhuntar. You can even fly in to Kullu airport and start your journey from there. From Bhuntar or Kullu, take a taxi or a local bus to Barshaini. Barshaini is a small village which is also the last stop to reach any of these villages by a short hike. Personally, I enjoy taking the bus for a few different reasons. Firstly, it's extremely cheap. Taxis will charge you at least 1,000 rupees, probably even more if you're coming from Bhuntar or Kasol. But the bus will charge you hardly 100 bucks. Secondly, the taxi is much quicker since it's direct, but if you have a little bit of extra time, the bus takes you through the place and you get to see glimpses of real Himachal. Third, although you may have to sacrifice just a little bit of comfort, the bus is an experience. When you come to the mountains, it's fun to be a little adventurous because the things you see cannot be planned. For example, traveling in an HRTC bus may seem dangerous, but trust me, the skills of the drivers are beyond. This is called expert parking. Expert turning.
It's like God level bus. I can't even turn. Wait, okay, I'll show you.
From Barshaini, Kalga is a 30-minute uphill hike. Kalga has a lot of great cafes where you can sit back, relax and enjoy some great food. If you walk through the village, you'll come across a lot of these colorful cafes. Romani House was one of our favorite places and we kept going back there for the amazing view and great food. This was another cafe and bakery that I really loved.
I recommend you to take one piece of everything.
One piece of everything, that's...
Yes.
Forest Park Homestay is a place where a lot of my friends stayed and it was a very peaceful place surrounded by a lot of greenery. The place that I personally ended up staying at was this place called Sunrise Cafe and Homestay. I stayed in this lovely room with a view of the whole valley for just 600 rupees per night. They also had this common room which had low seating and a lot of place to chill and just enjoy the view. Being so far from all the touristy destinations, Kalga is a nature lover's paradise. There are no roads here, so you have to walk between the farms and greenery to get from one place to another. And there are no fixed routes either. The whole village feels like a maze, an interconnected web of beautiful houses, cafes, and places. The best thing to do is not to have a to-do list in Kalgam. It was heartening to see how simple life really was in this magical village. There were no deadlines to get work done, no rush to get somewhere, be somewhere. You're reminded to take things slow and enjoy the moment. Apple season is almost here, and all these beautiful trees have so many apples in them. I spent my days here just walking around, taking in the freshness and expansiveness of the place, and hanging out with my friends. So next time, skip the famous spots and come to Kalga to enjoy some untouched beauty. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel to see the upcoming episodes in Exploring Himachal.